So these little lugs here are for when you do those cross-shaped keys that are called SX9s, the Citroens.
Right, yes, I know which ones they are.
It'll just fit in there
Yep.
and hold it snug. Now, for this key, I don't need to take them off.
Okay.
So I've just kind of left them on.
Situ, yeah.
Now we've got a bottom jaw there,
Yeah.
and we've got an upper jaw there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now if these little lugs weren't on there, there'd be a bigger platform.
Yeah,
for it to
yeah.
sit on.
You'd screw it up slightly more.
So
the jaws.
we can just put that in there, nip it lightly. The backstop for this one, if we say now we put the code in, let's go to cut, and the screen's telling us where to put the backstop.
Yes.
Okay, which is there, like that. Push it forward, and then push the key up to the backstop.
Right.
Make sure that the key's level. Take
Yep.
your backstop out.
Aha, now I understand what that is.
Have a look at that. Make sure it's level.
Yes.
Okay, and that's it. Just make sure that's nipped up. Put the lid down and press cut. So what it's doing is
a good piece of kit, isn't it? It's doing a little bit at a time, isn't it? In stages. Was it doing what I think the shallowest foot first, the next stage down?
going along those lines and cutting in where it needs to.
Yeah.
And then going along the next line and cutting in.
Yeah.
So, because if you try to cut with that little cutter, straight away that deep it would break the cutter.
Yeah.
So that now has done its little job. In the van there's a brush, so I'd have just brushed that off.
Yeah.
As it is, we'll just have a look at that. There's our cut key. There's our
Original.
So the only way we're going to find out for sure is go and try that in the van door.
Okay, just stop this.